your download, your 4 steps to a profitable email list. Remember, the money is in the list, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to build up our email list, trying to build our business. Our email list or our customer list is, in essence, that is our business. Forget all your YouTube subscribers and your Facebook group people. If ever those platforms dropped off the earth, or if they dropped you, you would lose those overnight. Your email list is your only sort of firm currency, and they are a list of your customers, and that's what we're trying to build. So, of course, I offered you the free e-guide. Hopefully you've downloaded that. If not, it will be as a link. Just go ahead and download it, read through at your own pace. But I'm just touching on each one and giving a bit of my insight on each chapter as we go along. So we are up to chapter 2. And what you want to do is offer a great lead magnet. Now, this is something in exchange for their email address so that they will be on our list, so we can get them on our list. In most cases, you see it is a PDF or some kind of an ebook, some kind of a gift. Could be a program, could be some training. So something that you will give to these people so that they go, yep, here's my email address, here's my details, I want what you've got to give. So where do you find these things? So in most cases, it's an ebook. Now, you could write your own, of course, or you could jump on someone like Fiverr and have them write an ebook for you, or you could get a free ebook. If you go over to a website called IDPLR, now PLR stands for private label rights, and they are more or less goods that you can give away as your own. They're open rights, so they're not copyrighted material. And no matter what your niche, you can pretty much find something in here that you can give away, so you can use to build value on the product that you're selling. So in most cases, it is an ebook, as I said, but there are some software, some videos, there might be some tutorial videos, some free templates if that's your business, some graphics or something like that. But if we do have a look at ebooks, and I'll just take something, we'll just call it golf, if that's your niche, if you're in the golfing niche, but it could be dogs or health, or, there's unlimited supply of health stuff out there if that's what you're promoting. But as soon as my computer struggles, I'm doing so many things at once, it's struggling a little bit. Okay, so in the golf niche, there are all these things available for you to use, download and use. Ebooks, the secrets to swing like a pro, simple rules, and they're quite good looking little things that you can put on your landing page and people can download, put their email in this and download. Video lessons, now that could be something that you can incorporate. Become a golf guru, affiliate golf store. So plenty of things available. That's just in the golf niche. Pages and pages of it. So surely there's something in there that you can use as a lead magnet. So that's just one of many. So this is IDPLR, but there are many sites out there that will allow you to find something that you can give away just to boost your personal brand, build credibility with your customers, and hopefully increase your list and make sales. So that's step 2 is, get a great lead magnet or offer something of value that you can help to build your list. So that's, as I said, that's step 2. Now, this is just a fairly simple 4-step ebook that I've given you. But if you are interested in some fairly intensive training, there's a link for that as well. And it's the Partner with Anthony program. So it's about 30 days worth of pretty intensive training. So you'd start, and 30 days later, you would have understood the whole funnel process. You would have built pages. You would have a business up and running and earning money by the time 30 days is done. So all you need to do is follow the bouncing balls. Very easy to do. It just requires a little bit of discipline, sitting down and putting the effort in. You do need to put the effort in when it comes to anything making money online, of course. It's not going to come to you for free. It will require your time and effort to get it running. So there's a link for that as well. Plenty of things available, plenty of freebies available, and good information if that's something that interests you as well. If you want to help taken by the hand. So it's called Partner with Anthony because he does partner with you. He doesn't just tell you what to do. He actually leads you down the garden path and shows you how to do it. So that's the intensive training. Otherwise, I've given you the link. Just download and read through and hopefully start building a list. As always, please subscribe to the channel and hit me up if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help any way that I can. So good luck with it. Hopefully you are building your list and you're making some money.